Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. We've got some breaking news. So SNEK, the meme coin on Cardano, is going to be listed on Kraken. This is a major exchange. So this is going to be a big deal for the Cardano ecosystem. So I want to get into how I am approaching this news, and I'm just pretty excited. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So I'm taking a look at this for the first time. Guys, taking a look at the market. We are April 25th, 2025. We're going to refresh. We're looking at a $2.96 trillion market cap. As we go bullish, alts should follow after Bitcoin and perform quite well. That's my opinion. Keep in mind, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. So this is SNEK, and you guys can follow it. It is at SNEK on Twitter. This is Cardano's biggest meme coin. So if you were to take a look at Cardano as a blockchain, this is arguably really their biggest native token other than Cardano itself. So this is going to be one of the biggest tokens on the chain. So let's take a look here. So Kraken exchange, let's look at what they wrote here. Something is brewing in Kraken listing. So of course you have that going on. It's a SNEK, it's a snake. We're listing SNEK April 28th at 1500 UTC. Deposits and withdrawals are already enabled. Markets are currently in post-only mode. So guys, this is massive news. We have not seen a major Cardano project get a huge listing like this. So I believe that SNEK has just performed quite well. It's been a fun project. You guys have all seen the memes. So of course, even SNEK with the little pipe there, it's just fun, right? So SNEK is going to play with the meme narrative. And what the Moose is going to do is pick up some SNEK. So the Moose is going to pick up SNEK because that's what we got to do. We got to let loose. Guys, comment down below. How much SNEK are you getting, and how much SNEK, the S's, how much SNEK should the Moose get loose on? Let me know. So what we're going to do is plug in my Trezor Model T. I've got the wallet I share with you. If you guys want to follow, it is $Ty.ADA. I'm using Dex Hunter as I usually do. I think this is going to be bullish news. I don't know if I'm going to buy some and sell it later. Who knows? Let's get, just, why not, man? Moose is going to get loose here. 3,000 ADA for, we got to make sure we're buying the right token. So guys, this is a DEX aggregator. I already hold baby SNEK. It ain't doing crap all. That sucks. So we're going to get some SNEK, 3 pairs. Perfect. This should be the right one. So I think this is going to do well. If it doesn't, whatever. It's more for the channel. How much is 2,500? About $1,000. Not much. Moose makes that in like 5 minutes. We're going to make sure slippage is appropriate. Yeah, 0.5 is pretty good. Fees aren't too bad. 174. So let's swap. So I'm going to have to confirm this transaction using my Trezor Model T. You guys have to use hardware wallets. Protect your crypto. This is adding another layer of protection. So in order for me to sign this transaction, I have to physically tap this device. So I got this device in my hand. I have to follow what's on the screen and physically touch the device. So here it's asking me, and here I'm going to approve the transaction. Boom. So there we go. So whereas a hot wallet, if I were to have a hot wallet connected with my private keys inside, if somebody hacked my account, they get my password, boom, they can sign a transaction away from my wallet. Whereas with a hardware wallet, you guys could also pick up something like a Tangent ring. This is a ring. You tap it with your phone. You can sign transactions. But typically with my desktop, I still love my Trezor Model T. And I keep it real with you guys. I mean, I sell a lot of Tangems through code Moose using the link tree. So if you guys want, you can use that. So I have it down in the description below, in the comment section. Go under, there we go, buy a hardware wallet. That's where you're going to pick one up. So that's what I like to do. So if we go here, SNEK order completed. So this is our wallet. If we refresh, 24,000 ADA, 283. I don't have any SNEK in here. So we're going to try to do this as live as we can. So, you know, assuming that this goes up, I'm probably just going to do a quick trade with it. I think this is going to be somewhat of a buy the rumor, sell the news. Not that I don't think SNEK is going to perform well, but there's a good chance that, you know, if this gets listed, a lot of people, that's what happens, right? A project gets listed on a centralized exchange, and a lot of people who have been using the exchange, they like something new, right? It's interesting in marketing, but ultimately a lot more people that don't know how to interact with a decentralized exchange, they have access to SNEK now to pick up. So long term, this is great. Short term, I'm probably just going to swap back to ADA, try to get some more gains out of it. So, you know, I think that's going to be kind of fun. There we go. So looks like maybe it's already gone through. So maybe the Moose already has 174,000 SNEK. I covered this a long time ago too, man. So this is probably just a little laggy as well. SNEK does show up as a token up here. It should be up here. So let's go to orders. I haven't really swapped a lot in a while. So it looks like everything should be good. It's updating in my Yoroi on here. So if we go to activity, we can see that. Let's go under transactions. Guys, comment down below. Are you picking up some SNEK? Let me know. I'm really curious. And you guys can even share your ADA handles just to give me an idea. So there we go. We now have in this wallet 174, let's call it 175,000 SNEK. Should the Moose get a million SNEK? How loose should the Moose get on SNEK? I got 4 million almost baby SNEK. So that's kind of fun. But guys, I've been a little more conservative, man. After the M word, we're not going to bring up the project, but after certain projects, you know, you adjust and you adapt, and that's a big part of this channel. Let's see when I first did SNEK videos. And guys, smash the like button. Not enough of you are doing that. So here, guys, 1 year ago, I did a how to buy SNEK. Coughing now. How to buy SNEK. Frick, I was doing a video talking about how it's going to go to $100 million market cap for the first time. I think I even did a bet. If you did that bet with me, please comment down below. That was a lot of fun. 50x alts, of course. But over a year ago, I was doing little videos on SNEK. So I was really uncovering that. And really, even now, there is no debate as to what is the best meme. That was a pretty quick trade. You know what? I might get some more SNEK. Moose might just get a little loose here. Fuck it. It's only $700. Like, there we go. Let's get some more SNEK. I could just swap it back. If I lose it, man, Moose is a savage anyways. I'll just make it back. So guys, comment down below. Is the Moose getting too loose? Or is this proper? I mean, this is the way I should be investing. I mean, it's not like I should be, you know, investing into a retirement fund. Like, the Moose is young. I'm only 30. Like, I'm not 60 yet. I got 30 years. There we go. So we're getting more SNEK. This is what happens, man. The Moose is loose. Let's go. It feels good. It feels good, man. Buying memes. This is fun. So guys, invest at your own risk. You are listening to a loose Moose. None of this is financial advice. Advice SNEK. All right, so now in post-only mode. This is a big deal, guys. This is a very big deal. And the thing is, what token, what is going to be the next Cardano token that is going to get listed on Kraken? This is a big deal. SNEK, I believe, has a pretty high market cap. I could see Cornucopias getting on there. I could see other DeFi-related projects, maybe MinSwap, that could get up there. So I'm thinking that along with the memes, and we're going to see that, guys, as Bitcoin continues in a bullish momentum, guys, we are going to see not just Cardano, Sui, we're seeing it now, but guys, Solana memes are going to go nuts. And SNEK, at least on Cardano's blockchain, is going to thrive as the leading meme coin. So that's part of this strategy. We're taking a look, 0.03526. That's the price right now. I think we're gonna break above. I think it's gonna get a nice leg up, so that's why I'm getting it. So release the SNEK. I mean Kraken. So this is great, man. I hope this is real news. If it's not, I mean, the Moose just made a massive mistake, but you know, it's all fun and games as well. So here we got 500,000 SNEK. The Moose would buy more, but you know, I don't want to make some of you feel bad. Oh, the Moose is just buying millions of SNEK. Yeah, man, the Moose gets loose, dude. So, anyways, guys, that's what we're doing. If you guys do want to pick up a crypto wallet, as you guys just saw, I mean, shout out to Trezor. Been protecting my cryptos for years. I just used it, connected it to Dex Hunter, and we were able to pick up some SNEK. So I will give credit where credit is due. Guys, head over here. Maybe I'm going to have to add a Kraken exchange where you can pick up SNEK. But guys, pick up SNEK if you want to. I think it's got a lot of potential, at least over the next couple days. I'm going to be putting out this video today. We're already Friday, April 25th, 2025. Click here, buy a Tangible Trezor, whatever. That being said, the Moose is loose. Let's try to 5x on SNEK. Cheers, everybody.